Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Royal Air Force highlights low-cost APKWS Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System for Typhoon pilots to counter drones and modern threats. The Royal Air Force has strengthened its combat air capability with the introduction of the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System, APKWS. The RAF said the low-cost precision weapon is designed to counter modern threats, including uncrewed aerial systems. APKWS Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System gives RAF Typhoon pilots a precise and flexible option for engaging targets while using munitions more efficiently. The system converts existing Hydra 70 unguided rockets into precision-guided munitions by adding a laser guidance kit. The RAF said the approach bridges the gap between traditional unguided rockets and more complex missile systems. It provides a lower-cost option for engaging lightly armored targets and emerging aerial threats. Recent operations have highlighted the growing challenge posed by low-cost threats such as uncrewed aerial systems. The RAF said countering those threats requires solutions that are effective and sustainable over time. APKWS Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System allows RAF pilots to engage targets at a fraction of the cost of traditional air-to-air missiles. The RAF said this improves operational resilience during sustained activity. The weapon's lower yield warhead also reduces the risk of collateral damage. This makes it well suited to complex operating environments, according to the RAF. The system's laser guidance technology enables precision strikes in both air-to-surface and air-to-air roles. After launch, guidance fins deploy and lock onto a laser-designated target, supporting accuracy without complex pre-launch targeting procedures. The capability has been developed quickly through collaboration between the RAF, the Ministry of Defense and industry partners. BAE Systems and Kinetic were among the companies involved. Trials demonstrated the weapon's effectiveness across a range of scenarios. Test activity involving RAF Typhoon aircraft from 41 test and evaluation squadron included successful engagements against ground targets and aerial threats. The RAF said the trials showed how APKWS Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System can be used to counter uncrewed aerial systems. Modified fusing allows the weapon to intercept and defeat airborne targets at significantly lower cost than conventional methods. The transition from testing to operational use was supported by internal coordination. The RAF said media planning, imagery capture and staged releases reflected the importance of the capability. Integration of APKWS Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System forms part of a wider program of enhancements to Typhoon. The RAF said the work is intended to ensure the aircraft remains effective in current and future combat air operations. The weapon is carried in standard rocket pods and can be used with existing targeting systems. These include the Lightning Designator pod used by Typhoon pilots. The arrangement minimizes the need for major aircraft modifications. At the same time, it delivers a significant increase in capability for the Typhoon force. APKWS Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System is already in service with air forces around the world. It has been proven across multiple platforms, including fast jets and helicopters. Its introduction into RAF operations enhances Typhoon's flexibility. The RAF said the capability allows the aircraft to respond rapidly to a wider range of threats. Further work is underway to explore how APKWS Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System can be developed. New variants with additional sensing technology are being tested to improve engagement rates against fast-moving or multiple targets while retaining affordability and precision. The RAF said recent operational experience has underlined the importance of balancing capability with cost, especially when countering large numbers of low-cost threats. It said APKWS Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System provides commanders with more options to manage resources effectively without reducing operational impact. The introduction of APKWS Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System reflects a broader shift towards adaptable and cost-effective solutions in modern air warfare. By combining existing systems with advanced guidance technology, the RAF said it can deliver precise effects while maintaining the agility required for contemporary operations. For frontline personnel, The RAF said APKWS Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System provides a reliable and efficient tool to meet current threats. The service said the capability helps ensure the RAF remains ready, responsive and capable wherever it is deployed. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @electronics technology 50.